How to organize files or content in Pinterest. If you want to organize files or content on Pinterest, if you open up Pinterest, there is a way that you can organize all of the pins that might be useful for you. For this, you can first tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, and here you can see some of the pins that you can create and some of the ones that you have saved. So if you want to create your own pin or your board, tap the plus icon here and you can start creating a pin over here where you can allow the access and just add the photos you want to add to your pin. Similarly, you can tap the board option as well in order to name this board. You can make this a secret board, you can make it a group board, whatever else it is, and create board. And in the future, if there are any pins that you like which you want to add to your board, select that pin, tap the three dots option, and you'll be able to add them to your board as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.